John McCagg with liberty8academy.org, our school, and I'm going to do a course description here on the Great Deception. It's really this, a little bit of information about the book here. It used to be called the Great Debt Deception, but we couldn't get that on the website and stuff like that, and we worried about, uh, it being allowed to be in print and so on. But it's really about the banking system and the financial system, what no one has ever explained, basically. So, uh, if, before I help people with the trust, I help people with debt and credit for years and was so successful. I had, I can't even teach people about how to get rid of their debt and deal with the bankers anymore. So I had to write a book about it. Okay, if you want to learn how to get deal with the bankers and so on, I'm going to get into that in the mentor program. Okay, so that kind of stuff we can't talk about on the website is just going to be in there. Of course, that's only for people that have voted with a trust and so on. You can't get in the mentor program unless you have that. You must be approved to get it. All right. So get this little read, and I took the time to explain what's really going on in a whole financial system. If you'd like to learn about it, I'm happy to show you.